Today's video, my fellow Horti, is about part 2 of best companion plants for cucumber. Today, I will discuss the number 9 plants that best companion plants for cucumber, the lettuce. Planting lettuce and cucumbers together can help you simplify gardening tasks since they both require lots of water. Similarly, the shade of vining cucumbers help shield lettuce leaves from bright sun. Lettuce is high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron. Number 10 is dill. Dill is an excellent companion plant for cucumbers because they attract beneficial insects. While some insects can damage cucumbers, others, like wasps and ladybugs, can help cucumbers' growth by preying on pests like aphids and caterpillars, which are also common cucumber pests. Number 11 is catnip. The oils found in catnip repel flea beetles, a highly effective organic pest repellent for cucumber plants. Additionally, catnip is an excellent herb for cat-friendly gardens, given that nepetalactone, the chemical compound it contains, stimulates playful and euphoric behavior in many cats. Number 12 is chives. Similar to catnip, chives serve as an insect repellent for cucumbers thanks to their strong onion-like scent. Chives are rich in antioxidants and vitamin K, which can aid in bone growth and healthy blood clotting. Number 13 is marjoram. Marjoram is another great companion herb for cucumbers. It improves its flavor, repels pests, and attracts pollinators like bees and hoverflies. Number 14 is chamomile. Chamomile also attracts beneficial insects like hoverflies and ladybugs, and prey on pests like cucumber beetles and aphids. Like cucumbers, chamomile thrives in full sun. Chamomile has a strong aromatic odor and is an excellent companion plant to grow next to cucumbers as it can improve both their vigor and flavor. Thanks for watching and bye.